Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a Halloween theme photo in EPIK photo editor. So as this month is October, it's Halloween moon and it's Halloween month and I'm going to show you how you can create your own Halloween theme photo in EPIK. So first you need to go to template and here you'll find Halloween category. Just click on that and here you can choose which one of these templates that you want to use as your Halloween theme photo. For example, okay, so here I'm going to just create a ghost. I'm a ghost template. Just click on use and then here you can just choose the photo to add to the template. Okay, so just be patient. I'm going to find a photo first. Okay, so I want to, okay, this one's right here, and then just wait until the effects of the template apply to your photo. Okay, so now it has been applied like this is the before and here is the after. If you like with the result, just click on this arrow to download the photo. But if you want to search for another templates, you can just explore in here and there are so many Halloween theme photo that you can choose and use as your own. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.